Hey guys, Rich Bassini here, YouTube vlogger and creator. How would you guys like to watch TikTok on a desktop monitor rather than an iPhone? Or look at this little iPhone 5S. Imagine watching it on this here. Oh, you're like, oh my God, look how small it is. This is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. This is the iPhone 5S. But anyway, I don't know about you guys, but I spend quite a bit of time on TikTok. I have to say, it's a pretty interesting platform. And I do watch a lot of content on there. Okay, I'm also on TikTok as well. But there are times when I don't feel like, sitting there on my chair and looking at this here, or if I'm sitting outside, so whatever, and I'm just constantly looking at my phone because I want to see what's there. Because they do have a lot of interesting things. I like their sales stuff they got, things they offer on there. But I do spend a majority of my time, honestly, on my desktop computer. And this is not going to make it, the program I'm going to show you, it's called Let's View. It's not going to make it super big like I got a 27-inch HP monitor here. It's not going to make it as big as that, but it's going to be rectangular, but it's a lot better than watching on a small little phone, or even this here too, the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I mean, this is a big size phone compared to that, but I have to honestly say, with everything set aside, I do like to watch it on, I wouldn't mind watching it on the, the desktop. The only thing is though, with the program showing you called Let's View, you're gonna have to you're gonna still be scrolling on your iPhone, whatever. You're gonna still keep scrolling up to watch different videos and stuff like that, which that's the reason. But if you do watch a lot of content on it, I think you're gonna enjoy it watching on here. So let's get right to it. I'm gonna minimize the screen over here. Now, as you can see here, this is Let's View. And it's really a great program. They do have different things if you want to price, if you want to upgrade and stuff like that. I like the free version. Okay, that's what I use right now. This doesn't cost me anything, thank God. I hope it stays like that too. It may go up one day. They may start charging. I know they have the upgrades up there if you want, but right now the one I've been using is the free version right now, and it works. Now it says over here, as you can see, let's view a vast world. Your screen mirror expert, whatever, share screens between Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, and TV. So, I'm not going to get too much into this here. Let me just do the screen. I'm going to screen scroll here, or I should say mouse scroll. And as you can see here, I'm not going to play the whole thing because it's about I think a 7-minute read. You could read more into this here, okay? It'll show you how to set it up and stuff like that. It's really easy, folks. It's really cut and dry, okay? It really is easy, all right? I don't really need to go through all of this here, but again, you guys could read it at your own, and you could check out the reviews. What can you do with the Let's View? And I tell you over here, online education, entertainment, meeting, business, and so on and so forth, okay? All right, so once you download this here, go onto your phone here, go to, App Store, and type in just what you see here, not with the apostrophe, just right up here where it says Let's View. Click this on here, type that in your search. Once you get it, this is the one you're looking for. Look at this little icon here. This is the one you want right here. This is what you want to download right here, this one here. There might be other screen imaging software out there. This is the one you want. Download it on your phone. Now, a little tip, okay? I'm not going to go into my IP addresses there, but here's the thing. Here's a little tip for you guys in case it does drive you crazy. Say, hey, it doesn't work. Make sure when you go into your system on your iPhone, go to General and then click on Bluetooth. Now, here's the thing. Whatever on your desktop, whatever IP address, I have multiple ones there, okay? Whatever IP address is on your desktop, the one that you're using right now, the current one, make sure it's set for the same thing on the iPhone, okay? Make sure that they match, because what will happen is if you don't do that, you might try to load up here, whatever, sync it, and it's not going to sync properly. So make sure whatever is on your IP address on your internet is on the iPhone as well, okay? All right, make sure you do it there. I just want to throw it out there because some people may try to say, hey, I got this thing here, it's not working. So remember though, you got to also download this here. You got to download Let's View on your iPhone as well, okay? You have to have it on the desktop and on your iPhone, okay? Okay, so once you get there, I already have it done already. I already, upload this here. Let's go to the next screen. This is the screen you're looking for right here. Okay, you see that screen here? Can you see that? That's the screen you want. Now, you see over here, where is it? These little boxes here, right right next to the red circle there. When I want to do it there. Whoops. Hold on. Let's go back to that again. Let me go back here. Okay. Wait, let me go over here, guys. I'm sorry. I'm trying driving you guys crazy. Okay. The one next is here. The one right there. Right. See with the little two boxes together? Click that on. Like this. You're going to get that's going to come up. Okay? You're going to get that. That's got to say let's view. Now, watch when I click on this here. Watch the screen here. I'm going to click this on, which says let's view. Bingo. Okay? Now, I could do everything I got to do here. Okay? Move it up, close it, close this out. We're loaded up here now. Okay? So now here's the thing I want to share with you guys. Again, we're at the same exact screen as you can see. I don't know if you can see, it's the same thing there. Okay, it's a mirror image. All right. What we want to do is, when I'm saying to watch it on your desktop, they got this little toolbar over here. You got maximize, full screen, analyze, always on top, rotate, brush. Then you got over here, click to remove or restore black bars on screen. This is a screenshot. You can take a screenshot of it if you want. You can play around with that stuff at your own. I'm just trying to show you how to watch TikTok videos on your desktop. This one here is a record button. Okay. Anyway, let's maximize the screen. Let's go to full screen right here. Not maximize, full screen. All right. Now we're on there. Okay. We got the full screen. Here's the toolbar again. And if you want to exit back out, you just click that button on there. It takes you right back out again. Puts you right on the front there. So you go back over here. Hit the full screen, and now you got all this other stuff. I'm not going to do the brush and all that other stuff there. You guys, like I said, to record, you can play around with it your own. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this up here, and I'm going to scroll over here. Let's see. Let's go over here, and I'm going to hit TikTok. Okay. Now with TikTok, that's where we're on right now. See. And if you want to watch videos, that's it. That's it. You're in. You're in. Okay, you can check it out like that there, and have a blast with it. You know what I'm saying? But it's a lot better than watching it on the screen all the time. You know what I'm saying? And the thing is, it's no big deal because you're keeping the phone next to your desk, whatever. And again, it's easy. It's easy on the eyes instead of looking at a little iPhone. Well, this is not a little iPhone screen. Well, it's a lot bigger than this little guy. I'd hate to watch on this email. I was like, oh my gosh, But that's how it would be. And you could just move it around, and if you want to show somebody, hey, Charlie, come over here. I want to show you something on TikTok. You don't have to sit there, looking at an iPhone screen. Here you can see it on your desktop. Okay. And that's basically it. And to back out of it, it's the same thing. What you want to do is back out. What you do is just going to go over here. Actually, when you're going to back out, let me go back over here. I'll show you how you're going to clear out of this here. Let's go back over here. Let's exit. Let's exit the screen here. Okay. What you want to do is this here will close it out altogether. Once you hit that button, you close it. This is the screen that's going to close it out. Okay. Now, even though you did that part there, you closed it out. It still should be another. I think there's gonna be another window. Well, you could still probably go into it again, but this is what they want right here. So when you're gonna exit out of it, this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna close this, and you're gonna get another screen that's gonna pop up. It's gonna, do you want to exit the program? You're gonna click OK, and boom, you're out. You're out of it. You can't, and then that's the same. And it's the same thing too. It's a reverse process, whatever. If you want to go back to watching the videos. Going back to it again, that's how you would do it. As far as that part goes in regards to watching TikTok videos on your desktop screen. So I hope you found this interesting. I hope it helped. If you're a person like me, I spend a lot of time on my desktop computer, to be honest with you. Like I said, it's not like a super big monitor, but it's a 27 inches. To me, it's big enough. It's a lot better to watch it on this, or if you had to watch it on this little guy. I mean, look at this here, right? So I think it's a pretty cool thing. All right, anyway, if you have any questions, drop it in the comment section below. I will drop the link to the Let's View. Remember, again, just to recap really quick, in order for this to work, and again, it's Bluetooth, it's wireless. You don't have any wires or anything connected to it, to your cable, to your computer. It's wireless. when you go in there, download it on your desktop, and you can see it's got different ones there for Mac, OS, and it's got a bunch of it. You'll just see it in the video, what I showed you before. Download it, whatever your system you're working with. If you're working with a Mac, or if you're working with the Windows, whatever, download the proper one for you for your system. And also, can't forget the most important thing. Download it on your iPhone, whatever, as well. Go to go to the App Store, search for Let's View, and then once you get that there, you're good to go. Okay, if you always play the video if you want to recap it again. If there's something you need me to go over, just drop a comment below. Say, how do you do this part here, whatever, and I'll find it. Now the thing is, with the when you go into the web page for Let's View, they have it how to install the stuff as well. Okay, I just kind of like did a quick little review on that there for you guys. So again, check it out. It's not that hard, believe me. It's not difficult, and I think you guys, again, you might like it. It's a little something, but again, if you're a person like me that spends a lot of time on a computer, on your desktop computer, and you do like TikTok, what better way to watch it than that? Anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. And also, if you like this video, and hopefully you like the content I put out, and you like me as a content creator, please don't forget that subscribe button, like, comment, share. And if you want to be updated to when I post that videos, please hit that bell notification icon. This is Rich Bassini signing off. I will talk to you guys next time. Take care, and bye-bye for now.